Or 5 reasons why your photos are blurry as f***. The 4th reason that your pictures might look out of focus is because your camera and your images rather are pixelated. What does that mean? Maybe you're shooting with a camera that has less megapixels so that when you blow it up, or if you're cropping it in a whole bunch, you start to see the megapixels, the little tiny dots and things that make up the image. If you have a lower resolution camera, you're going to end up seeing the pixels come up. So it's going to end up looking kind of blurry, kind of muddy, not quite as crisp and clean as you want it to. That was 4 things, and I know I promised 5 things, but I kind of combined the first 2. It was supposed to be shutter speed is your first problem, and then people, your subject moving is another. So I swear, I still give you 5 things, but it's just kind of combined in those first 2 right there. Remember, everybody takes out of focus pictures. I promise you, everyone does it. It's okay. Well, it's not okay. Don't actually do it, but learn how to control your focus better and become a better photographer.